Hello everyone, this is Corina from Atelier Miko, and today you'll learn how to create a wavy 3D painting with a metallic effect. First of all, you'll need a polymeric board, some gloves and a heat gun. The dimension of the board that I'm using is 70 per 100 centimeters. Also, you can substitute this polymeric board with plexiglass. It has the same properties and it will bend the same. And if you check the description of this video, you will find all the links attached with the materials that you can use. And now you can take the heat gun and start to hit the board. Also, don't forget about the gloves. It's absolutely necessary to wear them so you will not get burned on your hands. And when you are using the heat gun, the distance between the board and the heat gun should be somewhere around 10 centimeters to 15 centimeters. If you get the heat gun too close to the board, it will have creases and you will destroy the material. So with patience, start to hit the material in small areas and then you can start to bend the material. And you will know that the material is ready to bend when it becomes a bit flexible. Once you create the desired wave, you will need to wait for a few minutes until the material gets back hard. And you can create your model in any direction that you want. I chose to do the vertical lines because I wanted to create this effect of melted metal. You can also use the heat gun on the other side of the material so you can create what kind of waves that you want. So it is not a rule to use the heat gun only on one part of the material. Use it on every part so you can bend the waves really easy. And this is my final result. This is how my board is looking with the waves that I've created. And for the second step, we will need to create a back for this board so we can hang it on the wall. For this, I chose a wood board with the thickness of 3 millimeters. But if you don't have this type of wood board, you can also use another piece of polymeric board. The dimension of the backboard is way smaller than the created model, so it will not be seen when you hang it on the wall. And for this you will need a strong adhesive, and you should add the adhesive on the back of the painting and then place the backboard on it and apply pressure. After you added the wood board on the back of the painting, you can also place a weight above it and let it dry for 24 hours so it can stick really well on the waves. Once the back part is ready, you can now add the sawtooth hanger, and you will need 2 screws for that. So place the sawtooth hanger on the back of the painting and then with pressure apply the screws and use the drilling machine. And for the third step and the final one, we will start to paint the painting. And for this I chose to use a can spray, and it is from Montana. The shade is something rose gold with a metallic effect. You can also use the sprays that we suggested in the last videos, the chrome silver effect or the copper effect. It's up to you. And before you apply the spray paint, make sure you shake the can really well for 2 to 3 minutes. Also, if you are not doing this outside, make sure you are wearing a mask because it's a bit toxic and the smell is really strong. Also, make sure you clean the painting before you apply the paint spray, and you can use a microfiber cloth for this. And the distance between the spray can and the painting should be somewhere around 5 to 10 centimeters. And you can also do it in multiple layers until you get a final nice result. The painting is touch dry after 20 minutes and it's completely dry after 24 hours. Here is the final result, and if you enjoyed watching how we created this 3D painting, we would be really grateful if you'd like this video, comment this video and subscribe to our channel. You can also share this video with someone who would enjoy to do a 3D painting like this. And wait till the end for something new. Here is an example of how we integrated this painting into an interior design. And if you wish to get this type of accessories, you will find in the description a link to them.